Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss on how you can resolve this issue. At times you might open your Word and what you see is a missing header and a missing footer, just like this. And maybe you've tried different means to bring it back, but all your effort proves abortive. Okay, let's go through these steps to resolve this issue once and for all. The first thing you need to do is to go to your View tab and check your document view and make sure it's in print layout, because we have different views. We have full screen reading, we have web layout, we have outline, and we have drafts. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your document view is on the print layout. Even after that, the problem isn't resolved yet, and most of you might always do it manually by going to Insert and clicking on either header or footer, then click on Edit, so you will find it out here. But when you want to start a new document again, it's still the same thing. So let me just write my rant here. So it's still the same thing. So all you need to do now is to go to this horizontal line, and having observed that the cursor changed to an arrow up and arrow down with some border, double click on it and your header and footer has been restored. Okay, so let's create a new document, Ctrl N. You see, we have our header and footer, not like what happened in the previous trial. So thank you. If you find this video educative, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can like this video, you can also drop a comment. See you in our next video.